In this video, we will answer how you can use eSIM for WhatsApp. So the straight answer for this is yes, you can use the WhatsApp with an eSIM right here. So this is actually very straightforward because eSIM is just an electronic SIM card that has no physical entity, but you can still use them on your physical or your eSIM enabled form. So it works because you can switch to this travel eSIM and it does not change your WhatsApp number. You can see your calls and messages, your actual history, contacts, and the likes. So you can link it by adding a one-time verification during setup, wherein WhatsApp confirms your number with either an SMS or a call. The number becomes your permanent WhatsApp account ID, and it's actually needs a connection or whether from your Wi-Fi, home SIM, or travel eSIM to actually link this to your number. You can use this while traveling if you would want to as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.